As I said in the last video, today I'm taking apart the exterior of the house to see what happened to the frame and insulation for 5 years. As you can see, parsing the wall is very easy to do on your own. Only a screwdriver is needed from the tool. For 5 years, the moisture inside the house did not get, but the insulation is all right. This piece of cotton wool I crumpled when I removed the board and there was a broken screw sticking out of it. In this part of the house, there is a bathroom, and here, instead of the vapor barrier plastic sheeting, there is the usual plastic sheeting. I don't know what this is all about. This part was built by the company and you need to ask them. Everything is fine with the boards and the cotton wool has not sagged. The frame of the house is made of metal pipe and it is without a hint of rust. Overall, I'm happy. And here are obvious signs of the presence of a rodent and I will evict it. These are broken screws. I don't really understand how this happened, but it caused cracks to appear in the wall between the boards, as they were not held by anything. I'm putting it back together. Now everything fell into place and the cracks were gone. I'll take care of the rodent. To begin with, I found a tunnel under the house and set up a camera trap to find out for sure who settled in. This is a field mouse. Next, I put a glass jar on the edge of a coin and attached a little bread inside the jar. The jar often fell from the wind, so I moved it to the terrace. Toward nightfall, she was caught. I put it in a bigger jar and fed it. She was stressed after all. The plastic jar was a mistake. It was necessary to leave for 20 minutes, and she managed to chew through the lid quite strongly. In the place where I caught it, it chewed on the terrace. Rodent in one word. So I put her in a glass jar for the night and gave her a rug. In the morning, released into the woods. Now, let's look at the foundation of the house. What's wrong with it? Plastic sheeting was shot under the house to keep the grass from growing. In general, it worked effectively. As you can see, the metal here is also without rust and any damage. In general, everything is fine with the foundation of the house. In the next issue, I think to disassemble the floor on the second floor and the part that hangs down and see how things are going there. I'm going to heat the fireplace and compare how quickly the house will heat up. Thanks for watching.